Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Meraux, local and long-distance movers near me. Usually a long-distance shift requires planning and workforce to move, and as we travel through different cities and countries, it also requires a few permits and licenses to complete the shift. And if you're shifting on your own, it can't be easy to handle the certification during the shift. But if you hire a professional mover like 3 Movers, we are already certified and have good working relationship with the local federation. So they have permitted us, provided required licenses and permits to complete the long-distance move. However, if your move involves 50 and above kilometers, it will be considered a long-distance move. If you're moving locally, you must have thought that you don't need to hire a professional moving company to complete your move. Be it a local or long-distance move, if you decide to do it all by yourself, you might cause damage to your belongings. So it's always a good option to hire a professional team like 3 Movers. We will not only provide the moving services, but also assist you in packing, loading, shifting, and resettling your belongings. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Meraux moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.